Hi guys, today we'll discuss about loops or iterative statements. So before discussing on the loops, let's discuss why there is a need to use loops. So generally we use loop in order to print a particular statement or in order to run a particular piece of code for a given number of times. So let's understand why there is a need to use loops. So now I am printing hello world statement in C language. So as you can see here, we have successfully printed the hello world statement using C language. But what if I want to print the hello world statement for let's say 10 times, 20 times, or 100 times? So it's not possible to use the printf statement. For example, I want to print that for 100 times. So it's not possible to write printf for till 100 times. So for this type of situations, iterative statements or loops we use generally. The concept of loops comes. So we have three types of loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop. So let's understand how for loop works. So in order to use any loop, we have to mention three things. So number one is we have to initialize. You have to initialize a variable, and then we have to mention the condition, and then increment or decrement. So these three things will totally depend upon the given problem statement, or it will be according to the problem statement. So we are going to discuss about the working of for loop. So now I am printing the hello world for 10 times using for loop. So I have to first initialize a variable. So I have taken I as a variable, and I have initialized that. So and then I written for, and inside the parentheses just assigning the value, and then condition. Here I will be less than equal to 10 because I have to print till 10 times, no? Because the equal to comes, and then I have to increment because I want to print that for 10 times. So I am incrementing that. I'm using the increment operator. So just printing, just with the help of printf function, passing that hello world statement inside printf. So we can use /n to get every output in the next line. So as you can see, with the help of for loop, we have printed hello world statement for 10 times. So let's understand how this actually get executed. So initially the value of I is 1. So I is 1. The compiler will check the condition, that is starting is 1. So 1 is less than equal to 10. The condition is true. So it will go inside and it will print the statement hello world. After printing that statement, it will increment by 1 because we have used the increment operator. So now the value of I is 2. So now 2 is less than equal to 10. Again, the condition is true. So it will print the statement hello world. And after that, it will again increment by 1. That is, it now the value of I is 3. Again, it will check the condition 3 is less than equal to 10. Condition is true. It will print hello world. Then it will be incremented by 1. So now the value of 4. Again, we will check the condition 4 is less than equal to 10. Then it will print the statement. Then increment by 1. So this process will go on till this condition becomes false. So in this way, the for loop works, and we have printed the statement hello world for 10 times using for loop. So in the next video, we'll see how while loop works. We will print the same statement hello world with the help of while loop, and we'll see the working of do while loop also. Thank you.